Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your POCO M8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in the settings. So open up the settings app. Now here, you guys need to scroll a bit down. So we need to go over to sound and vibration now. And here we want to check the adjust volume section. My media volume is at maximum volume for 100%, and we shouldn't really care about the ringtone and alarm. We should only care about the media volume since it's our volume that we use to listen to any apps like YouTube, Spotify, TikTok, and basically anything else. So make sure that volume of the media is set at the max. And what we want to do next is clean our speaker grill with a soft brush. So as you guys can see, here we have it, and we definitely want to clean it with a soft brush for an example. Now after we clean it with a soft brush, what we can do is we can go over and disable our Bluetooth. So scroll up, go to Bluetooth, and make sure that Bluetooth here is disabled, so we ensure that audio isn't rerouted anywhere else. After that, what you guys want to do is restart your phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button, and here swipe down to reboot. Let go of your finger, and the phone now is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the phone restart, what we want to do is we want to go over and unlock it. Next we want to go over and open up settings again, and here we want to check for software updates. So go over to about phone and click HyperOS. Now here you should check for updates automatically, so I have no updates available. That means I am running the latest version of the HyperOS available on this device. And if there are still some issues, then scroll down here in about phone and click factory reset. So you'll click erase all data, here confirm your PIN, and then it will ask you if you want to back up your stuff. So as you guys can see here, we want to back up all of our data first because it will delete everything like our apps, photos, videos, and anything else. So first we want to of course back it up. We can back it up on the mobile device or a computer or use the Xiaomi Cloud. Also we can use the Google backups, but this is what you should have enabled. As you guys can see, enabled back when you set up your phone. So after the factory reset, everything should work. If not, then I would recommend bringing the phone to the service center for more detailed inspection. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.